Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you my newfound skincare products from CeraVe. CeraVe is developed in the United States, made in France. And what I love about CeraVe, it contains 3 essential ceramides. And ceramides is a lipid fat molecules that found in our outer layer of our skin or epidermis. And as we age, those fat molecules drop off significantly, so we need to add ceramides to our skincare routine. CeraVe line has 5 cleansers according to your skin type, whether you're oily, you're dry, or you're acne prone, and all of these cleansers contains 3 essential ceramides to add back what we're losing. And aside from ceramides, CeraVe also contains hyaluronic acid. Is a molecule which already have in our skin. It's essential in helping retains our youthful appearance. I chose hydrating cleansers because my skin is dry. It's a nice lightweight cleanser and doesn't strip the skin's moisture. First, massage cleanser onto wet skin for about 60 seconds. It is non-foaming lotion for dry skin and it's fragrance-free. Make a circular motion to thoroughly clean your skin, including your neck and at the back of your ears. And then rinse off. Right away, you can feel how soft and silky your skin after. After cleansing, I use CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. It is a big tub. You can use it to your face and to your body. And it is hypoallergenic, is also good for your baby. And it is non-comedogenic or will not block your pores. I use the spatula to preserve the freshness of the cream. I generously spread to my face, including around my eyes, my neck, and my collarbone. And instantly, I felt hydrated and fresh. I hope you will try the CeraVe line according to your skin type and see it for yourself. Again, thank you for staying with me. This is Del, and wherever you are, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and see you again soon.